Special cocktail para 4 speed 100 recorded by Sir Iftihar Ahmed start. In such cases where it is found that the original orders of the department were not correct, these orders should be cancelled promptly and steps should be taken to ensure that such mistakes / irregularities do not occur again, full stop. Cases in which a department does not act promptly or is not found to be cooperative in defending the case properly should be reported to the Chief Secretary for bring it to the notice of the Martial Law Headquarters for taking suitable action against the officers who have failed to comply with these instructions in letter and spirit with great respect, full stop, para. As to the architect's project for the alteration, architectural possibilities is imperfect and incorrect, full stop, with great respect to him. Because of the imperfection of my acquaintance with architecture, full stop, I respectfully suggest that he should take counsel with someone whose architectural ability would entitle him to express an opinion, full stop. I quite expect the architect will consider me disrespectful and I am upset at the prospect of a disagreement with him, full stop. My object is to secure an inspection of the premises as they are, and I believe that unexpected and indeed unsuspected possibilities may develop as a, full stop, para. But perhaps your first experience of public speaking is still before you, an experience to which you look forward with pleasure or with fear according to your nature, an experience possibly which you think never could happen to you, full stop. But often it is the least likely thing that happens to us as we go through life, and some quite small even may one day force this experience upon you, full stop. Perhaps your brother is to be married and you are among those asked to speak. Perhaps it is the end of your school year and you are asked to say, full stop, para. Investigation is the backbone of every criminal justice system, full stop. Prosecution is responsible to prove guilt of accused beyond reasonable doubt, and accused is presumed to be innocent and cannot be convicted in absence of trustworthy, confidence inspiring evidence, full stop. This high standard of proof can only be achieved if evidence is properly collected, secured, and documented at stage of investigation so that it can later on be produced in court to prove change against accused, full stop. Its importance can be estimated from the fact that any evidence either not collected by investigating officer or not collected in accordance with the prescribed law, full stop, para. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Saturday rebuffed the idea of early elections, declaring that the PDM government had no intention to hold general elections before the end of its constitutional term, full stop. The general elections are still 11 months away and we have no intention to hold elections until the country's economy comes back on track, full stop. We will work day in and day out for 11 months, bring economy back on track and hold general elections when this government will complete its constitutional time period, said the Prime Minister while addressing a new conference at the Model Town Party office, full stop. He said there was no threat to democracy as the government would continue working within the ambit of the constitution. Full stop.